All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Hyundai Accent. It is the four-door sedan model, white with the gray interior, premium style slip steering wheel controls, only 32,000 miles on this beauty. And best of all, minimum damage to go real quick. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger hubcap. Your front driver's hubcap. And tire thread is over 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks very nice. Here's your rear passenger, rear driver's side hubcap. Tire thread is at 830 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. You guys can check out instrument cluster. It does come with the 2 keys and 1 key fob. And owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff that's working. You got your AC controls right down below. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. Your mileage of 32,791. Looks good. Open up the trunk. Keep it moving. Here's your rear passenger seat and what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Your rear bumper looks pretty nice. Does have some chips, as you can see. This is what your trunk space looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here. Oh, I'm sorry, there is no spare tire here, but does have your owner's manuals. I tucked away back here. This dent lid looks good. Quarter looks good. Front passenger hubcap. rear passenger side hubcap. And tire thread is at 830 seconds. This door has a little. Oh, it's a moth. I thought it was a chip. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Your front door looks good. Your front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips to this one. That's a little dent right there. And quarter looks, fender looks good. Here's your front passenger hubcap. And your tire thread is over 730 seconds. Lights are working. Car is on. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Hyundai Accent SE model. Is beautiful white with gray interior. Only 32,000 miles on this beauty. If you guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.